Tomorrow we could see something we haven't seen in months and something you don't normally see in February. Thunderstorms.
And George is out on the deck with a look at our chances for severe weather, George.
There is a pretty good chance that we could see severe weather here in the state of Michigan. The best bet for that will be over the southern half of lower Michigan, mainly from I-96 southward, but we'll talk about that and some winter weather between now and then. 13 weather ball tonight, blinking bright. We have rain and thunderstorms in sight later tonight. It's also red, warmer weather ahead in some areas during the day tomorrow. This view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Prepare for some wet weather here later on this evening. Just cloudy at 7 o'clock, but the showers will be with us shortly after that through the 11 o'clock hour. And then as the warm front gets a little bit closer, we'll see some thunderstorms develop and push through, especially from Grand Rapids northward overnight through about 7 a.m. and then there'll be a second round tomorrow. It's going to become breezy later on tonight. Here's the scenario. We're watching an area of showers and some developing thunderstorms off to our west. They'll be with us overnight tonight and on Friday. On the northern edge of this storm, it's going to be in the form of snow, and there are winter weather advisories as close to us as along and just south of US 10. But the real impacts will be across northern lower Michigan, the UP, and all the way back through Minnesota and Iowa where there are blizzard warnings. So you can see this is kind of a powerful storm. And for us, we have a chance for severe weather here during the day tomorrow. The highest risks will be in this area right in through here. This is southeast lower Michigan down through eastern Indiana and northwest Ohio. The further back to the north and west, your chances of severe weather drop off dramatically, but still about I-96 southward, there is a chance that we could see some severe weather. Our forecast confidence right now is in the moderate category. I'm not sufficiently confident enough this is going to be a high event, but certainly better than a low event. The main risk will be from damaging thunderstorm winds. That's as a cold front comes through tomorrow afternoon, and everyone will see heavy rain. Some areas could see well over an inch or maybe 2 inches of rain with this. Here's what you can do in the meantime. Just stay weather aware here this afternoon, tonight, and during the day tomorrow to see if there's any updates. Make sure you charge all your electronic devices so you have a full charge on the 13 weather app so you can check the radar, and just check your shelter spaces in case you need to go there. Gather some equipment like your bike helmets, some gloves. Make sure you secure any outdoor objects. I know we haven't brought out the patio sets yet, but another thing, just close your garage doors here tomorrow if you leave them open. Otherwise, the storm system itself is gathering strength. It will start to push some showers and storms into our area by 11 o'clock, and certainly during the overnight hours. You notice right in through here, this is a little bit of snow and some ice. That's along and just south of US 10, but that will all change over by daybreak. Notice there's one line of showers and storms that comes through around about the noon hour. This is noon right in through here, and there's going to be a second line with that cold front right in through here. You'll notice the storms start to build and then they push to the east. Here's where the real trouble will be, over toward Detroit, Ann Arbor, down through northwest Ohio. And then tomorrow night, we'll see the rain change over and mix with some snow prior to daybreak on Saturday. And on Saturday, it'll act more like February. There'll be some wind, there'll be some snow, there'll be some light accumulations. Certainly a very windy and blustery day compared to what we have had. And in terms of rainfall, this is how much rain is expected right here in this purple and red area. This is over 2.5 inches worth of rain. I think that might be a little overdone, but certainly a very heavy rainfall event that will affect everyone here over the next 48 hours or so. Temperatures are going to be very, very, what do you want to call it, interesting. It'll be in the 60s to near 70 just south of that warm front. And it will be only in the 30s and 40s to the north, so if you go about 20 miles in one direction or another, you may see as much as a 20-degree temperature change. But only in the mid-30s here on Saturday, that's more typical, and upper 30s during the day on Sunday as weather finally quiets down. Tonight, look for showers and thunderstorms across the lakeshore areas with overnight lows into the mid and upper 30s. Up north, this is where the best potential will be for a little bit of icing, but you too will see some thunder, or hear some thunder and maybe see some lightning as temperatures fall down to around freezing or a little bit above. And from Grand Rapids southward, temperatures tonight dropping to 38 here in Grand Rapids to only as warm as 45 down south, and it will become breezy out of the east and northeast. As I mentioned, quieting down finally on Sunday, but it'll be breezy both Saturday and Sunday, and then back to 46 Monday. And on Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, we may do this all over again with some showers and possible thunderstorms. 13 on target forecast. March will come in like a fish, apparently. Temperatures will be falling on Wednesday, and then maybe some snow showers now Thursday and Friday. We're not going to warm up. It looks like we're going to be cold behind that second storm system, so maybe only in the 30s for highs the following weekend. Just stay weather aware here the next 24 hours.
We definitely will, George. Thank you.